Welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to post a voice note on your status in WhatsApp. So let's begin. You want to open WhatsApp application and let's go to updates section at the bottom side of the screen. Now you want to tap pencil icon, and now let's switch to voice section, and you need to tap and hold microphone icon in order to start recording your audio message, and then release microphone when you're finished recording. You can play your voice note to listen to it, and if you do not like it, then tap this trash bin icon to delete this message and try one more time. And as well, you can change the background color by tapping this palette icon in the top right. Now let's select new color, and then you want to tap this send button to share it. So that is basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and I will see you in the next one.